I'm done mixing everything. What do I do next? Mix it together?
No, putting the I think sparkles and stuff.
In which one?
Put the activator in the starter.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we are going to make slime. But this is different kind of slime. Instead of just normal slime that you can play with, this is also glow in the dark slime. How cool is that? Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and hit the bell to all, okay? Make sure you share with your friends, your aunties, your uncles, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters to subscribe to these adventures, okay? This is the slime kit. I will link in the description below where to get it. So let's see what we have in here. So we have our 4 balls, slime activator, our glitter, magic glow in the dark powder, and this is our slime starter. So let's get started. This is a product by my best friend Bro and his mom. We live only a stone's throw away from each other. I really like their garden. To put half a cup of water in each bowl. Is that half a cup? Is that half? Okay, now we're going to put our slime starter in one bowl. This is
Slime activator.
This is the slime activator. Okay, that's done. We put one in our other bowl, our magic glow in the dark powder. One. Okay. Just stir it, using my feet. The stick. Cyrus, what am I supposed to do next? Where are you? I'm done mixing everything. What do I do next? Mix it together?
No, putting the I think sparkles and stuff.
In which one?
Put the activator in the starter.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Wait, do I use the cup?
Stir. Now just pour it straight in.
Okay. Now use this one to... Wow, it's going hard already. It's slime already. Just needs more mixing. Slime is definitely one of my favorite things to make and play with. So now I have a fun fact here for you guys. The slime activator, what it does basically, it holds the molecules together, so that's why it's so high. Before it was so, not really that high and just like water and everything. But when I put the slime activator and mixed it, it just holds the molecules like that. And it's like a giant that says, I'm gonna hold you forever till you're dead. And so now I'm gonna put the glitter. Wait. Okay, my fingers are sticky. They're like a zombie head. I'm gonna put the foam ball first, okay? So, okay, let's do this thing. Cyrus?
Yeah.
Can you help me untie this, please? My fingers are filled with slime. Thank you. Whoa. Look at that.
Look what I did.
Whoa. Thanks. Woohoo. Whoa.
When did it
How
get
am I supposed
jelly?
to mix it?
Use your hands.
Ooh, good idea. Now this is something to play with. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. The question is, guys, does it glow? Ta-da! It glows, guys. How awesome is that? Make sure you get it from the link in the description below. If you want it to glow more, make sure to charge it under a soft light. Don't forget to subscribe. Why? I had to, it's too cold. Don't forget to subscribe. I feel another sneeze coming. Can someone lower the aircon temperature?